This is MikeBot. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and small demo and review on this WinBridge 15-watt voice amplifier. This is their new model, the WB003. This one comes with a wired microphone that can cover around 30 to 50 people in a room. So with that said, this basically is a voice amplifier used for teaching or conference or anything along those lines. It's got Bluetooth built in and it's got a battery, which is new to this WinBridge style of headset. So the battery on this thing is 2600 milliamp hours and it's rechargeable. And like I said before, it's got a 15-watt voice amplifier built in, which is pretty powerful. Now there are many different uses for this, but some of the most common uses are for coaching, patients with weak voices, for example, teaching, training, tour guides, public speaking, factories, hospitals, senior homes, outdoor activities, yoga class, gym class, that kind of thing. So in my case, I do craft shows for my 3D printing, and I'm going to be using this during my craft shows, and it's going to basically hopefully attract more people towards my table. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the unboxing here. So first thing you get is the manual there, and then you have the voice amplifier, and then what else did they give you here? You get a strap, a USB-C cable, and of course the headset, and that's basically it in the box. So I'll start with the headset. So it's a typical headset, just like the last time I did an unboxing on this. It's nothing too high-end, nothing too fancy, but it does the job, and they've redirected this one to actually face your mouth, which is nice. Comes with your standard 3.5mm jack for audio connectivity. You get a strap, which goes around the amplifier, and then a double USB-C cable to charge the amplifier itself. Got a little belt clip here. That's where your straps go in, that's where your mic goes in, and that's where you charge it. And it's a fairly enclosed system. So up here you have your mute, volume down, volume up, and your power button. So nothing too crazy or fancy, but I will be doing a demo to see what this thing sounds like. So the microphone, like I said, it has a mute function. So with this mute function, it'll temporarily disable the mic. So if you want to say something privately, that's one way to do it. I don't recall the other version of this having a mute button on it. The Bluetooth is a nice addition because with the Bluetooth you can do some music playback, so you can stream music to this thing. You can also integrate like background music and other really cool things. So I can do like background music while talking, and I might try that during one of my craft shows actually. And then the thing I'm most excited about is the 10-hour of continuous usage with the built-in battery. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing charged up. Then I'm going to do the demo. Now as far as price goes, this is about $27 US or $46 Canadian on Amazon. I will include my Amazon link in the description below. So like I said, I'm going to go get this thing charged up and then proceed with the demo. And I'm just going to connect the strap here just to show everyone what it looks like. I'm probably going to strap it around my neck when I do the demo so you can see the actual device. I might just go outside and do the demo and start yelling at people just to make it fun. And then the double USB-C cable, which goes right here. I see why it's double. So you can charge it using a USB-A or USB-C. And then the headset just goes in here. Okay, I'm going to get this charged and stay tuned for the demo. Okay, so here's the demo. So basically, you press and hold that to turn it on. Now you got 4 lines turned on. Now I pressed and held it on longer than you're supposed to, so now the Bluetooth is activated. So now I could have Bluetooth sync to this device here, and you can hear it right now loud and clear. So I'm going to go ahead and put the volume down to the lowest. So now the volume is down to the lowest on this. So now I'm going to increase it. And I have my microphone here so it'll be able to pick up the sound. And now I'm going to max out the volume like so. Keep in mind, that hurt my ears. It'll have that mic echoey sound to it. So you can essentially clip it anywhere you like or wear the neck strap. But as you can see, it's nice, loud, and clear. So now I could broadcast to an audience. Now I'm gonna max out the volume. So let's say I'm broadcasting to a loud audience, and that's what it sounds like. So I have the product all the way down to about my knees right now, and then you can probably hear it picking up on my microphone. I'm gonna lower the volume a little bit. Now I'm gonna hit the mute button, and you can't hear anything, completely silent the way it should be. Now it's back on. Now once again, it has 4 LEDs here, full power. So third one's 75%, 50%, and then 0. So should be able to get 10 hours out of this thing. I also noticed it has some sticky feet at the bottom here, so you can put it on a table and keep it straight. And then if you really wanted to, you can replace the headset I'm using, which is the one it came with something else. Now the audio with it is still fairly clear. So the microphone does work as is, but what I'll do is I'm gonna go grab one of my high-end microphones and plug it in and show you the difference of the sound. So I was thinking about plugging in another microphone, but this would kind of be outside of the scope of this review. So I'm just going to keep it plugged in with this, and I'll tell you what I think of it. So given the price point and its purpose, it's a 5 out of 5 for sure, based on the price itself. Build quality is fairly decent. I don't know if it'll survive too many drops, so give it a 3 out of 5. Keep in mind it's 27 bucks US. Volume output, a good 4 out of 5 for sure. Microphone quality, probably a 2 out of 5. But other than that, great device. Check it out. I put my link in the description below. So let me know what you think of it. So if you have any questions or comments on this, leave them below. And I'm just going to hit the mute button here because it's probably giving feedback on the mic I'm wearing. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. And most importantly, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. My channel is dedicated to 3D printing and tech reviews. So tech can be anything as simple as this, or as advanced as a robot lawnmower, for example. Thanks again for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. MikeBot out.